Pasta is a staple food that is an essential part of Italian cuisine, and pasta is now enjoyed worldwide. Typically, pasta is made from a dough of durum wheat flour, although other doughs made from softer grains, such as spelt or rye, may be used for different types of pasta. Equipment such as rolling pins, pasta machines, and extruders have been used to make pasta for hundreds of years. The ingredients and production method of the pasta dough used can affect the flavour, texture, and storage requirements of the pasta. There are two methods used when making a fresh pasta dough. Both methods require the addition of a wet ingredient to the flour base. Water-based dough can be air-dried and stored without refrigeration. This makes it suitable for commercially produced dried pasta, which is made in great quantities on large-scale equipment. The firm structure of water-based pasta means that it will keep its shape when combined with other ingredients. Egg-based dough cooks more quickly and produces a more tender pasta. However, the egg content means it cannot be stored without refrigeration. Other ingredients may be added to a pasta dough to enhance its qualities. Salt can act as a preservation agent, helps to develop gluten that adds thickness and elasticity to the dough, and adds flavour. Other ingredients can also add colour and flavour to a pasta dough. These include saffron, herbs, squid ink, carrots, beetroot, pumpkin, cocoa, dried porcini, capsicum, and spinach.